Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do another question of Olympiad. 6 raised to the power x equal to 18. How to find this x value? Find x. So let's get started the video. First of all, you can see 6 raised to the power x equals to 18. We can solve this type of question. We have to take log out both sides, taking log both sides. So log 6 raised to the power x equals to log 18. After that, we are using the property of log. If the property is log x raised to the power a, this property says this power should be come in front of log, a log x. Okay, so we are using here this property, this x, we are writing this x in front of log x log x, and this log 18, we will split this 18 6 into 3 first. Then after that we are using the another property of log. If the log and in a bracket there are two numbers like x into y, so how to split this log? We can write log x and this multiply sign will be converted into plus sign and log y. So we are using this property here, log 6 plus log 3, and it is as it is left hand side. After that you can see we need to find the value of x. So this x should be a single. So we will divide this full equation by the log x. On dividing by log 6 both sides. So if you divide the log 6, so this x is the single, and here log 6 plus log 3 upon log 6. Now after that this log 6 upon log 6, we will write the denominator log 6 upon log 6. This denominator is, we will write this log 6 separately in both the terms denominators. Okay, so log 6 upon log 6 and log 3 upon log 6. This log 6 and log 6 cancel out. So the remaining part, it is 1 plus log 3 upon log 6. 1 plus log 3. So then log 6 we will split again log 2 into 3 and apply log 2 into 3 again the property of this log. 1 plus log 3 upon, can we write this log 2 plus log 3. Okay, now after that there is no choice to finding the x value in the log form, in numeric form. So we will put out the just value of log 2 and 3. So we have no choice, we are splitting the 3 and number 2, there is no choice, so we will put just the value of log 2 and log 3. So what is the value of log 2 and log 3? So the log 2 value is 0.3010 and log 3 value is 0.4771. This is the values of log. So we will just put the values here. Your x is 1 plus log 3 upon log 2 plus log 3. This is your final statement, final. Then 1 plus log 3. Log 3 value is 0.4771 upon log 2 value is 0.3010 plus again log 3 0.4771. So 1 plus 0.4771, and if you add these two terms you will get 0.7781. Now decimal after there are 4 digits in numerator and denominator also decimal after 4 digits. So this decimal and decimal is removed. So remaining is 4771 and 7781. Now you can see if you do this division 4771 divided by 7781, so we will get 0.6132. Okay, you can do this division in rough portion. Then 1 plus 0.6132 is equal to 1.6132. This is your x value. So x value, if you write your answer in the log form, so this is your final answer. But if you put the value of log 2 and log 3, so in terms of the numeric number, our answer is 1.6132. I hope you have understood this question. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you and thanks for watching.